Hello alla! In this short video I'm going to show you an easy way to create a photo collage. I know there's a lot of ways out there and I'm sure some of you know and have your own way of doing it, but I want to show you something you can do in PowerPoint so that if you're asked to create a photo collage for an assignment, hint hint, there's one coming up, you can do that quickly and easily with your school laptop or use Office 365 where you have access to PowerPoint as well. So I'm going to start with a blank PowerPoint slide, and you can see over on the side I've pre-prepped everything for this, but I'm going to walk you through the steps. So I have my blank slide, and now I'm going to do a Google image search. So I found this adorable picture of puppies. For my purposes, I don't need to save these. I'm going to copy the image and take it over to PowerPoint, where I have pasted my image. I would do this for all the images that I need for my collage, and that takes me to my next step. I have my 4 images. I have them all sized and put together nice and neat. They don't have to be the exact same size or shape, just so you have a clean square image that you are working on, or rectangular. The next step that I did was to place my labels on each picture, and of course I've placed my labels in German since this is a German project. So I have die Hündchen, der Strand, das Eis, and die Lasagne. Once I have all of these things, you'll notice they are standalone pieces. And I want to do something extra with them so that they make a nice photo file. I'm going to select everything, and then I'm going to group them together. Now I can move them anywhere on my page. They are all grouped together. And the last step that I'm going to do is save as a picture. Wherever you like to save your pictures, that's where you should save them so you can find them again. Mine automatically went to my picture area. I'm just going to name this Collage 1 and hit save. Now I have one file, one photo file that I can use in anything that I want. For example, a discussion board on Schoology, which is what you will be doing. And that's it, nice and simple. You have a collage. I've added words to it. You can play around and find the best way for you, but this is a nice easy way using PowerPoint, which you all have access to create a collage with words on it. Tschüss! And of course we will end with Frau's Katzen, my little wash doodle bug here, sleeping. Tschüss, Klasse!